We are FX Trading Corporation. We provide an international platform created by investors with strong Forex, criteria and meaning. FX Trading Corporation is a global corporation developed by a team of experts in the field. The idea came about to get the largest number of people database who already work in cryptocurrency market. Our tools is robot developed experts in crypto traders. We have a unique software based on artificial intelligence. Our members can follow through the virtual office. They come 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. The best automatically detected the market of crypto trading and analysis of circulation in the cryptocurrency market. All investment packages can yield up to 2.5% per day, and you can start just by investing 100. Your gains in robot operation will depend on your chosen package. And in addition to the gains from the operations of our FX Trading Corporation robot, you can refer others and build an affiliate network by participating in various forms of earnings. Let's understand better. Indicating people, you get 6% of package chosen. For example, if you indicate a person who invested $1,000, you win on time 60. Each packet generates a score on your network. Get the binary bonus, which pays 10% of the accumulated points of your junior team. In addition to all this, you get the residues bonus, which link directly with the companies. Career plan. When accumulating network points reach higher rugs, each star achieved, you earn plus 2% on your team's daily earning plus many awards such as iPhone X, Rolex, travel, and luxury cars. For example, accumulating 500,000 points, you get a Rolex and a further 2% on the daily earnings of everyone in your network up to 6th level. At FX Trading Corporation, you can request withdrawals every day and only renew your package when you achieve a 400% profit on your investment. Start developing your network and earn points and reach the top of the company. FX Trading Corporation. Success is not just in a business, but in the union. Access now www.fxtradingcorp.com